Equation of quadratic function from graph. Write equation for the given parabola in standard form. I am Anil Kumar and I'll explain you the steps involved in writing equation for the given parabola. As you know, quadratic function is represented by a parabola, so this graph can be represented with the help of an equation which is quadratic. So in general, quadratic equation will be y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the equation in standard form, right? So that is the equation in standard form. To get the equation in standard form, there are three variables. We need 3 points. So we can select 3 points and find the equation. For this graph, x intercepts are the 2 points and y intercept is the 3rd point. So when we select these 3 points, we can put those values, we'll get 3 different equations. And from those equations, we can eliminate or substitute, solve simultaneous equations and get the equation. That's one way of doing it. The other way is, since we know the x-intercepts, we can write the equation in intercept form and then expand it. So we'll adopt the second method. So I'll write down the equation in intercept form. So we have y equals to a times, the intercepts are at, let me write down the coordinates of x-intercepts, right? So the first coordinate here is at minus 1, 0. The other one is at 4, 0, right? So that gives us the equation as x plus 1 times x minus 4. Now to find the value of a, we'll use the y-intercept, which is 0, 2. That means y value is 2 for x value 0. So we write 0 plus 1 times 0 minus 4, right? That is 1 times minus 4 is minus 4a. Now from here we get a as equal to 2 divided by minus 4, that is minus half. And therefore we get our equation as y equals to minus half x plus 1 times x minus 4. So we can always expand this and then write down the equation in standard form. So that is one way of doing it. So let's do it. So we get y equals to minus half, and if I expand it, I get x squared minus 4x plus x, plus x and minus 4. Let's combine the like terms. Half of x squared minus 4x plus x is minus 3x minus 4. And now let's open the bracket. So we get half x squared minus 3 over 2x minus, well, this is all minus half outside, so let me write minus. So minus times minus is plus, and minus times minus is plus. So we get minus 4 divided by minus 2, which is plus 2. So that becomes our equation of given parabola, right? So in standard form, we can write down this equation as y equals to, we can write in decimals, minus 0.5 x squared and then 1.5x plus 1.5x plus 2. So that is the equation. Well, this was a better way of doing it, since so many decimal points. If you would have taken the 3 points and simplified the linear system or solved using 3 different equations, it would have been quite problematic. So you have to figure out a strategy to find the equation, and it is sometimes better to get the equation in a different form and then expand and get the right form. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.